Hey everyone, we're on our way to Laura's to cook some caramel corn. Are you excited? I know I am. I can't wait. What a beautiful day. My stomach's gonna be full with that beautiful caramel corn. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Thanks so much for checking out our video today. I hope you have as much fun as I do. I bet you will. All right, let's do this. Hey everyone! Was that fun or what? Did you enjoy that? Lipstick Laura is the best in her caramel corn. Mwah! Perfect. I loved it, I loved it. So much fun today. I just love going around my uncanny environs and checking out my uncanny neighbors. They're the best. They're the best. What can I tell you? I feel so fortunate to be here. And with you, it's absolute the best. Okay guys, hold on a second. Just taking a little journey around my uncanny environs. There's a little waterfall. How beautiful. Oh wow, we're almost to the shop, guys. We're almost to the studio. That is so much fun. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, let's get in here. Let's do this. Oh, you see me up really close, don't you? Wow. Hey everyone, we're back in the studio. Isn't this great? Oh wow, you can see me now. I have all my studio lights on. It's perfect. Hey guys, don't forget. Oh, isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful here. Look. It's green, trees, spring is in the air, along with a lot of traffic. Yay! It's nature filled with gas guzzling cars. Oops, we can't say that because we drive a gas guzzling RV.
We are going to have a gas guzzling RV. Yay!
Yay! Yay! Oh wow, I didn't wear my glasses, guys. Okay. I'm off to the wobbly under now. Officially, yay, we're driving, we're going. Yay, look at this wonderful drive. There's a school bus. There's a car and another car.
A lot of cars.
A lot of cars. A lot of pollution. Wow. Hey everyone!
They have emus. They have emus over there, but we cannot see in the.
Ooh, let's look for the emus.
Let's look for the emu.
I can't. Oh, there it is. This is the emu sanctuary. Actually, someone's home.
But he has pet emus.
Yes, he's my friend. I wrote a report on emus when I was young.
What did he say?
Emus are strange birds. That's what I said. Just like me. Just like Zimm. Yep. Strange birds. We love you guys.
Bye!
GoPro, stop! Alexa, guess what?
Thank you so much.
Alright. Guess what? We just had our in-flight entertainment, our meals served. Yay! I think the flight attendant was named Jack. He had quite the box. I've just landed. I'm having my Jack meal, my flight attendant meal. I've landed. GoPro, stop.